guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have some new stickers to show you, and we're going to decorate a spread in my classic size catch-all dashboard layout happy planner. This will be for the week of November 18th, I think it is. But let me show you my newest winter collection. I just recently, a couple weeks ago, released a bunch of Christmas stickers, but I was kind of feeling like I didn't have enough winter stickers in that new release. So I went ahead and got 5 new designs that are perfect for winter. This is the one I'm going to be using today. We have Buffalo Plaid Winter in the mini, small, and large sheets, and then the matching boxes. So that's the one I'm going to use today. I'm going to pair it with some winter quotes. And then the next one is Frosty Days. These are super adorable. I love the colors. And then we have the matching boxes. I'm probably going to use that one in my horizontal journal. Then we have Cozy Cocoa. Look how pretty these are with the little corgi and the little cat. Love these matching boxes. I love pinks and greens together, so that's going to make a beautiful spread. The next to last one is Toasty Winter. I'm really liking browns and grays in my stickers this time of year. So Toasty Winter with the matching boxes. And then we have Winter Mood, another pink and blue set. Love these stickers too. I love anything blush pink. I just think it's so pretty. And so there's your matching boxes. So all stickers are 50% off in my website still. So go to pleasantlyplanned.com. Let me show you real quick. I do have some new covers and some word of the year covers. So there are 5 different cover and dashboard options. You can get these with or without wording. The wording part would be your one little word or your word of the year. So my word for 2025 is resilient. So I just put the word down here at the bottom, in the bottom corner of the planner, so that it's not up here up top screaming too much, look at me, look at me. So this is the one that I chose for my catch-all. The inside covers are white. And then this is the back. The back does not have the word on it. So now if you choose this cover with no wording on it, of course, it's the same cover just with no wording. And then this is the cover that I chose to use on my horizontal journal. And of course, you can see that it has my word of the year at the bottom as well. And then the back has no wording. So show you those two. And then I think I've already showed the scripture cards and bookmarks. Oops. Those are also available now. So we have the scripture cards. These are about 3 by 3. These I plan on keeping in my planner, and then I also have some set up on my desk to keep looking at daily. Also have matching bookmarks. These are matte laminated. They're really sturdy, thick cardstock, so these are going to last you quite a while. Those are only sold in sets, so grab yours if you're interested in those. Now let's go ahead and get started with the plan with me. So that was the current week. So we're doing, it is the week of the 18th through the 24th. So let's just pull everything out and see where we can start. I am going to use for this spread my Buffalo Plaid washi. This is some washi that I had available in my shop last year. I just am not having a very good time finding washi right now, but you could probably find some of this on Amazon if you look. But yeah, let's see what we can do with these stickers. Trying to decide where I want to put this girl. I want to use this cute girl down here in the bottom. I think we're going to do this, and then I'm just going to have to punch out, which is fine with me. So we'll put her close to the edge, and then I'm going to grab my crocodile punch and go ahead and punch those holes because I will forget. So if you're not familiar, this is We Are Memory Keepers crocodile punch. It's just a single disc punch that makes punching your discs out. It makes it a lot easier instead of dragging out the big paper punch and trying to do it that way. It just makes life easier. And then I need to cut this little edge off. Okay. All right. So we got the girl down, and then I think I want to use hot chocolate with her since she does have some hot chocolate with her. But let's see. I might want to put a couple small stickers down here beside her. I could always put the little fire pits. I just told my boys I was ready for some fires. It's like one of our favorite things to do whenever it's cold outside is to just get the fire pit and burn some fire or burn some wood, have a fire, and just kind of sit around and talk. So let's see. Now we can do hot cocoa weather, hot chocolate weather actually. Love it. Okay. And so now let's go in with some boxes. So I think I want to, what do I want to do? I think we're going to come down here at the bottom and just put a couple little boxes down here. And I'm going to use the darker gray and then this kind of brownish color. I need to get my white out. I forgot to get my bag. So let's get the white out. Oh, and white out notes. Okay, and then we'll just stick this one here. And kind of put this one down here below it. Perfect. All right, I may decorate around those boxes in a minute. I'm not sure yet. And I think I'm going to take I love this little dog. He's adorable. I think we're just going to take this little basket and just kind of sit here. I'm going to try to not put a whole lot of stickers on this side. We'll see. We'll see how that turns out. Okay, let's go to the other side now and see what we can do over here. So I am going to place some boxes down, and I have been using vertical boxes kind of like this, and I like the way that looks. So I think we might do vertical boxes again. So let's just do the same two colors for now that we did on the other side. And then we'll add in the light gray box here in a little bit. Oops, I covered up some of Wednesday. Oh well, that's okay. All right, and so now let's take so I'm thinking decisions. I think we're going to take a couple. No, I think I'm going to try to just not use any other boxes. Let's just kind of decorate around what we've got going on here first, and then kind of see where we're at. So I really want to use, I love this rocking chair with the cat sitting in it. And I think I'm just going to place it down here at the bottom. I think it's adorable. Yeah, that's cute. And then let's see what else we can do. I want to use the snowman. I want to use the little dog. I think we're going to take the little dog and place him right here. So I think we're going to cut this like that. Oh no, don't stick. Cute. All right, and then what else? I think we'll take the little s'mores. I don't know if these are s'mores, but that's what we're going to call them. Put these right here beside this box. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. And then maybe this little jar. Let's use the bigger one. We'll put it over here beside this box. Should have used a smaller one. I'm going to use a smaller one. That one's too big. Cute. Okay. I need something to go over here. Let's just take this and put it on this side. It's very crooked. That's very crooked. Oh my gosh. Let's try that again. I think it's still going to be crooked. I need to, it's because I'm cutting it upside down. I'm messing up. Maybe it's just me. Okay, that's a little bit crooked the other way, but it does look better. All right, so now I think we'll take a little pair of boots and put right here, but I want to try to pick up this gray sticker or this brown sticker so that I can place the edge of the boots underneath this sticker. Oh, I got sticker paper stuck to the back of the sticker. Okay. Now it's stuck to my finger. Yeah, that's super cute. Okay. Let's fill in with a little bit of buffalo plaid washi. I hope it's not going to be too much. I'm wondering if it's going to be too much. I actually think I have some already cut in half. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, I've already got some pieces. So let's see if we can use these little pieces. To just put a little bit around. I don't like the way that's cut. I don't even have my X-Acto knife out. Okay, that's cute. I think I'll just put a little bit down here. Yeah, that's pretty cute. I do need a meals header. I almost forgot the meals header. So let's do meals. This is where I like to put my meals for the week. And then I think I'm going to take, where can I put this? I'm going to put a little bit right here. Okay. I think I'm going to actually cut this diagonally and then cut the other one diagonally as well. I don't like the way that looks. Well, now I know I just cut that. There we go. And And then cut this one a little bit diagonal too. Okay. Yeah, this is super cute. Look how cute this is. All right, and then we'll take a little bit and put over here. So let's see if I have another piece. This one's kind of thin. I might just try to use it anyway, just because. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, you can't really tell it's been cut. I mean, it's shorter. I mean, you can, but it's not that big of a deal. I could actually replace this one with a little bit shorter one so that I'm just at least kind of balanced out with the short ones, the short pieces. So let's try that. Yeah, there we go. Look how cute it is. Okay. So, is there anything else that I want to do to this spread? I think it's adorable. I don't really think I want to add another quote or anything. I think my one quote is good enough. I do think we're going to add some headers just to put some color over here on this side. So let's do use this brown to do, and then to buy. Put to buy up here. And then to do over here. Okay. Look how cute it is. Yep, love it. Okay, let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love if you would hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram and head over to my shop, pleasantlyplanned.com, and pick up your stickers if you have not ever ordered from me. I think you will be pleased with your order. So there it is. Look how adorable that is. I love it. Okay. All right, you guys. So that's it for this one. I'll see you guys on the next one. I love y'all, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.